Hello. Organizations need to shortlist hundreds of job applications each day, which forces a tremendous workload on the HR department and recruiters. With our project HireMate, we aim at automating many tasks that occur in a recruitment process with an interactive console and LLMs. Tasks such as job description analysis and enhancement, CV shortlisting, and preparation of screening questions, which require HR workforce, are automated with LLMs. When an HR manager or recruiter will open our app, they would be prompted to sign up for an account or log in to an existing account. The authentication requires the HR manager's name, company name, email address, and password. HR managers could also use the Google sign in option to authenticate themselves. On the backend, authentication is performed using Firebase Authentication, a service which enables developers to add various authentication methods to their apps or website. After entering the required details, we can start using the app. Currently, I am continuing with an existing account. After successfully signing in, the HR manager will be navigated to the dashboard page. The dashboard provides a high-level view of all the actions that the HR manager can perform with our app. He may have to undertake hiring for different job titles which are visible to us here, so we can select one and we can see the shortlisted and the disqualified candidates for this job title. The HR manager can add a new job description by clicking on the plus icon here on the job description page. The manager has to input the job title, description, the must-have skills, the good-to-have skills, which will enhance the job description further, and the minimum qualifications required. For example, we can enter a job description here.
Once the job description is entered, when we click on generate, the request is sent to ChatGPT API. On the backend, the skills along with the job title and description are injected in a pre-built prompt template sent to a ChatGPT API. The prompt instructs ChatGPT to score the job description on the three factors. The job description is enhanced on readability, gender neutrality, and word structure. Avoiding gender-specific pronouns would provide a greater scope of gender neutrality. An enhanced job description is visible to us on clicking generate. Now here, the HR has two options: to continue with the enhanced job description or keep the original one. So we will continue with the enhanced one. Now, coming to the upload page. Here, the enhanced job description is visible to the HR, and from here the HR can upload multiple resume files. HR managers receive hundreds of CVs which they need to analyze for required job skills. Our projects provide an interface for the HR to upload multiple CVs. The CVs are stored in a bucket provided by Firebase storage, and the storage maintains the CVs and their corresponding IDs and also maintains an entry in a database. Once the CVs are uploaded, HR can continue to rank the CVs. The text in the CV is placed in a pre-built prompt template and sent across ChatGPT's API to generate a score for the CV. Once the scores are received, the candidates are ranked according to the CV score, and list of the shortlisted candidates is displayed. Once the CVs are shortlisted and ranked, we can see the interface where we can see shortlisted and disqualified candidates. Now the HR can click the approve button to send the email to the shortlisted candidates that contains an unique ID and password using which the candidates can opt for the screening round. After sending emails for each candidate, a separate set of screening questions are designed using ChatGPT's API. Now from here we move to the screening round section. This is the email sent to the candidate which contains the exam ID and password which he will be used to log in and give the screening round. From here, the test login page, candidate have to log in with the exam ID and the password which he has received from the email. After successfully logging in into the screening test section, the candidate is provided with a set of instructions which he has to follow through the screening round. To start test, here the candidate is provided with a set of questions designed as per his CV contents, job descriptions and the skills. Now the candidate need to give answer to each of the question. After submitting the test, the candidate will receive a email for further notification and the score is stored in a database as the current candidate is shortlisted for the in-person screening round, interview round or not. Finally, the HR will receive an email containing information about the selected candidates. From here, HR can decide to call the candidate for in-person interview. Thank you.